We have 2025 Nissan Versa. We're gonna do a XM series tuner. Right. The first step is we're gonna have to take this glove box down because there are screws holding on to this panel here. To get to it, you gotta remove two screws on the bottom. Underneath there is screws there, two of them. Over in the bottom panel. And I'm going to open up the glove box. There are two screws underneath. There's one there. And also the latch one, there are two more. And all the way far to the left, there's one more screw. Okay. And once you have that, you simply pry that panel down. Now you can access screw here. The screw there. Actually, this screw we may not need to because this one is just for that. So just that one screw there. Alright, so basically you don't take this out. This doesn't do anything. You're just going to take one screw out, grab it from the bottom up, and just pry and tie a bezel. Simple as that. And after that, we're going to remove screws holding onto the radio. We have four screws, two on the top, two on the bottom. We're going to take that out. On the very top, there are two more screws. That's it. It took 2 minutes to remove. Very simple. Pull that out, you drop the screws, you're going to find them. Alright, so you can disconnect these harnesses and we're going to get a antenna adapter. Actually we don't, because we're going to put audio input to this jack down here for the XM series tuner. We're installing this. To remove this bottom USB aux input, you reach behind. There are clips on the side of it. You push inward and pull out like this. I'm going to show you what clips. These are the clips. You push these in on both sides and you push this forward towards you. Now you can get this one. So we're going to make a little notch cut out here so we can hook up aux input right here. Okay, so we are hooking up the ignition and a constant. The ignition is the 10 wire on the top row where the release plug is, in between two white wires. That is a thin 10 wire, that's the ignition. The constant wire is the very end. There's a one on each side. Light green wire, a little heavier gauge wire than others. That is the number one. That is the constant wire. Black one is the ground. So we mount the XM series display model right here. I put a little L bracket on it. A wedge in between this panel right here. You can lift it up. You wedge down there. This goes there. And this panel goes on. One screw here in the middle. Then the glove box goes back on after that. So you put that screw in. Push that in, open the glove box, and put the screws back in on the top and the bottom. That's it.
Dance exclusive home on SiriusXM.
Put screws back in. There are four screws, I think. So in order to get the XM series, you gotta go to aux on the radio, and audio goes through that, obviously.